3 subdivisions in one view. This is an aerial shot kung saan nahagip ang tatlong fast-selling subdivisions along Antipolo del Norte, Lipa City. Nandyan si Novista, si Burbank, at saka si Nebiare. Let me explain to you kung ano-ano ang mga ino-offer ng mga subdivisions na yan.
Unahin natin si Burbank Village. Dito isa lang ang house model na available. Ang townhouse 44, lot area 36 square meter, floor area 44 square meter, at ang total contract price ay 1.4 million. Estimated monthly amortization is around 8,500. Kung ang monthly salary mo ay nasa 24,000, possible ka na ma-approve for Pag-ibig housing loan. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng affordable at maayos na starter home, pwedeng-pwede to sa'yo. Next, Novista Lipa. Mas maraming options dito, from townhouse to single attached units. Lot area ranges from 40 square meter to 160 square meter. And the price starts from 1.2 million to 4.8 million. So kung ang income mo ay nasa 15,000 to 72,000 monthly, mas maraming choices dito na pwede mong pagpilian. Last but definitely not the least, Nebiare. Ito ang subdivision na mas high-end, mas maganda ang design at kompleto sa amenities. All units are single attached to single detached. Lot area starts from 100 square meter up to 200 square meter. And the price range 3 million to 5.9 million. Ideal kung ang salary mo ay nasa 75,000 to 149,000. Perfect ito sa naghahanap ng space na mas maluag at mas upgraded ang lifestyle. Nag-offer din dito ng lot only. Minimum of 100 square meter na nasa 1.4 million. Ang bonus, may dalawang access gate. One sa Antipolo del Norte at isa pa sa Latag. Kaya very accessible. Gusto mo bang i-check itong tatlong subdivisions na ito in person? I can personally join you for a site viewing. I can also send you the full computations so you can decide wisely. Just send me a message and together let's find the perfect home that fits your budget and lifestyle.